Well, the big news story that we're tracking now, viewers, more than a month after the Telangana police filed a closure report in their investigation into the January 2016 death of University of Hyderabad scholar Rohit Vemula, granting clean chit to the accused and exposing the Congress theory on caste. The DGO has now said that they have decided to conduct further investigations as some doubts have been expressed by Vemula's mother and others. Remember, viewers, Vemula's family have cited some apprehensions and they are likely to meet the Chief Minister Revant Reddy today in connection with the case. Meanwhile, the fresh report has now busted the Congress theory that Vemula was a scheduled caste person. In fact, the police report now says that the scheduled caste certificate of Rohit Vemula was in fact forged and he died by suicide out of fear of being exposed. So the Congress is now coming up with fresh defense. Meanwhile, its Vemula theory has been exposed loud and clear. The parents of Rohit Vemula, meanwhile, are likely to meet Chief Minister Revant Reddy in Hyderabad today. All right, now viewers, joining us live on the story is my colleague Aneri reporting from Hyderabad. A very good morning to you, Aneri. First of all, take us through some of the apprehensions that the parents of Rohit Vemula have cast on this report, and then tell us what time are they likely to meet the Chief Minister.
Well, what we have been seeing is that massive development which has taken place in the Rohit Vemula case will, after the police officials had submitted the closure report in the Telangana High Court. Well, remember, the case has been going on in the Telangana High Court for last 8 years, and now that due to lack of evidence, and also the police officials have given clean chit to all the accused in the Rohit Vemula case. Well, now what we are seeing is that there has been a massive anger, there has been protests which have been taking place after the police officials submitted the closure report to the High Court, and also at the same time stating that he was not a Dalit. Well, we have been seeing that how the students there at the Hyderabad Central University had raised slogans against the BJP, against the Telangana police, and also at the same time what we have been seeing is that there has been a massive political face-off also which has been going on, because remember, the Congress party is blaming it on the BJP and the BRS because the report was made during the BRS government, but then the Congress says that the report was made by the BRS and the BJP both hand in glove, and that is the reason why all the accused have been given clean chit. Remember, all the accused, some of the accused in this case includes the BJP leaders as well. So we'll have to see how it turns out to be. But then also at the same time, when we happen to speak to the BJP leaders, they say that the Congress government has done all of this because remember, in the last 4 months, it is the Congress government in the state of Telangana, and that is the reason why we see that Congress government is being blamed. But now, after there was a massive uproar over the report of the closure report which has been submitted, Telangana DGP had issued a statement saying that the report was filed last year itself, a report was made last year itself and submitted in the High Court on the 21st of March 2024 by the investigating officer. But also at the same time, he further went on to state that based on the concerns raised by the mother and others in this particular case, they have decided to investigate into this matter. So we'll have to see how the investigation takes place in this particular case. And also at the same time, sources say that Rohit Vemula's family is likely to meet the Chief Minister Revant Reddy today. We'll have to see what their demand is and what's the decision which will be taken into this matter.
All right, thanks for giving us those details and joining us for now. Aneri, please continue to track all the developments in connection to the case, as we will be coming back to you shortly. Now, viewers, let's remind you that in the latest development, Rohit Vemula's family is set to meet Revant Reddy, but here is a report detailing all the developments in the case so far and the subsequent political face-off. Listen in.
After 8 long years of protests and a suicide marred by political controversy, the Telangana police has submitted a closure report in the Rohit Vemula case, stating that not only was Vemula not a Dalit, but also was in possession of forged caste certificates. Even as PM Modi-led BJP government was put in a position of constantly having to clarify its stance on being anti-Dalit, the closure report has now absolved all accused, including Union Minister Smriti Irani, of any complicity in abetting the suicide.
जब इस घटना के बारे में मैंने सार्वजनिक बयान दिया,
Nothing will go on record.
तब मैंने कहा
Yes, only minister.
कि इसको जाति की नजर से मत देखो। मैंने एक बच्चे की बात की, एक दलित छात्र की बात नहीं की। मैं चुनौती देती हूं, कोई भी मुझे उंगली उठाकर कहे कि मैंने जाति के आधार पर न्याय करने का या अन्याय करने का दुस्साहस किया। मेरा नाम स्मृति ईरानी है, चुनौती देती हूं, मेरी जात क्या है बताकर देखिए।
Vemula's death in January 2016 led to nationwide protests against discrimination towards Dalits in universities. His family has now stated that it will legally contest the Telangana police's closure report in his 2016 suicide case. Meanwhile, the Hyderabad Central University Student Union held a protest against Telangana police's reports. Vemula's suicide was turned into a cause to galvanize campus protests against the Modi government across the country.
जो रोहित के खिलाफ हुआ है वो सिर्फ रोहित के खिलाफ नहीं हो रहा है, हमारी यूनिवर्सिटीज में बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ ये होता है। लड़कियों को दबाया जाता है, दलितों को, आदिवासियों को, अलग अलग लोगों को दबाया जाता है। अगर आप सचमुच में इससे लड़ना चाहते हो तो हमें एक कानून की जरूरत है, एक ऐसा कानून जो कॉलेजेस में, यूनिवर्सिटीज में डिस्क्रिमिनेशन को बंद करे।
Amid the embarrassment for Congress, the DGP says that it wants to probe further. On the other hand, Congress National President remains tight-lipped. Even as the accused get clean chit, the Congress is now demanding reopening of the case and re-investigation.